everybody, it's Ryan from Stahls. Today we're going to be talking about UltraColor MAX, our brand new direct-to-film transfer that allows you unlimited colors, shades, fades, and gradients. So what we're going to be doing is a unique design placement where instead of just having a full front, we're going to actually be putting designs on the sides of pockets of a hoodie. So stick around and we'll show you how to do this. Join us at the heat press. All right, folks, so we're over here at the Hotronics Auto Open Clam. I have the temperature set for 290 degrees, a medium to firm pressure, and also the time is for 15 seconds. That's the instructions for UltraColor MAX. I'm decorating here a 50-50 cotton poly blend hoodie. And the main thing is so we can see these pockets here. I'm using a heat printing pillow that Stahls does sell. All right, so I've got it set up and I'm going to go ahead and do just a quick pre-press here. And you can see here that there's a seam, and that's the biggest concern of why I want to use a pillow here so it squishes down in. Just a little bit of a pre-press to take out some of the moisture and wrinkles. And then we're going to go ahead and take our first side of the design is our fishtail. And I'm just going to leave it right up here against where the seam is. And the nice thing about UltraColor MAX is I do not need a cover sheet. Once it releases, this is a hot peel, so I can go ahead and just take the corner and I can start peeling right up. And as you can see, there's a little bit that came up, but that's okay because I'm going to actually do another press. You can actually just take this sheet, put it right back over here, just to protect it. And I'm going to press it again just for a couple more seconds to squish it down in. This will be just a 5-second press this time around. There we go. And now you can see it's perfectly sealed in there, ready to go. We're going to go to the other side now. And if you do notice any of this film coming up, that's okay. You can repress it. Just put the carrier back over top and just press again and it'll be just fine. All right, so we've got our other side here. That's where the head's going to go. And again, I'm just going to kind of match him up here so he looks like he's coming out the pocket. There we go. This is a 15-second press, medium pressure, level 6 on a Hotronics Auto Open Clam. Excellent. We're going to do our hot peel here and peel back, and there we go. And that one actually went on beautifully, so I didn't need to do a repress on that one. All right, so the next step of the application here is our full front design. And you can see here I have the fish, so I'm not really concerned because I've got the pillow and I also have a cover sheet as well. So what we're going to go ahead and do is put our full front design on. Just go about 3 inches, 3 fingers down. Make sure it's centered. Perfect. The eye is right there in the center. Okay, we're good to go. And we're going to put a cover sheet on here to protect the tail and the head of the fish sticking out of the pocket here. And that's okay. I can actually just cover the whole entire thing. No big deal. Excellent. So the cover sheet protected my tail and the head. Now I'm just going to do my hot peel. Look at that color. It's just beautiful. All right. And now the next part is going to be my sleeve. So what I'm going to do here is actually, I'm going to take this pillow away and I'm going to actually put a sleeve pillow on the inside of the sleeve. And I want the lure that I'm going to have to kind of give the effect that the fish is actually going after the lure. So I'm just going to feed this in here. And I want it on the actual, right here where the seam is here. I want it right down the center so that way when you're having your arm held out, you can actually see the lure. Again, the beautiful thing about the pillows is it just allows for the seams to be elevated and allows for that perfect application every time. All right, so I'm going to hold this to the side. What we're going to do here is a pre-press just to take out the moisture and the wrinkles. It's a 5-second press. Perfect. Now we're going to put our lure on. And the really cool thing about this is if you were actually in the market for selling to fishing tournaments or you want to advertise for a specific lure, you could absolutely do this with an actual lure from the company to add that extra advertisement for that company, for your customer. And we're going to go ahead and just make that look like basically the lure's hanging down off the sleeve. 15-second press. Again, we're at the medium to firm pressure with the Hotronix auto open clam. And the beautiful hot peel it is of the UltraColor MAX. And it is just so vibrant. Love it. Excellent. We're going to just take our pillow out the way I put it in. I like to go through the actual opening of the neck there. Perfect. All right, folks, so here's our finished results here. We have a 4-print location design with UltraColor MAX. We had the full front, we had the side pocket here, the side pocket there, and the sleeve print. So 4 print locations that actually gives you more money for your finished results. I want to give out major kudos and thank you to Great Dane Graphics. Missy Marino actually spent a lot of time creating designs for me for this presentation. So definitely thank you for Great Dane. So thank you all for joining us today. Make sure you subscribe at the link below. There's lots of product information as well at the link below. And thank you for your time and thanks for choosing Stahls.